Hello again, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a quick overview of what I got going on with my welding cart. A commenter suggested that they wanted to see a little more about it, so here it is. I had to change the welding wire in my machine, so since I was working on the machine anyways, I figured I'd just turn on the camera and show you guys a little bit more about the cart. So on the sides, I got like space for a bunch of body working tools, clamps, hammers, space underneath for extra storage. I got my welding helmet, gas obviously, a bunch of files. I got a little gas can, jerry can in the back that I have a bunch of extra stuff in, body tools and stuff. More space for hammers on the other side of the machine. And then I have two hooks in the back that'll hold my electrical cord. Big long cord on the machine so I can run it around anywhere in the shop. So if you have not built a welding cart and you're just starting to learn how to weld, it's probably the first project you should try to tackle. I built this one at least 5 years ago, and it's been modified over time just to whatever I need. So I have more storage inside the machine here. So this is where I keep all my extra tips, extra roller, more storage down here for more tips and tape, and just I want to keep everything near the machine. If I need a hammer, it's on the machine. If I need a file, it's on the machine. So here I'll be changing out the wire. If you know how to change out your welding wire, I'll catch you in the next video. But if you notice, I have everything on the machine. My cord's right there, ready to plug it in. I just keep everything as close as possible. So here you'll notice that everything that I need to change out the wire is going to be right on the machine. So I get my spool ready. And I'm going to be grabbing my file and my pliers. They're right on the machine, quick and easy. I like to deburr the edge of the new wire once I run it through the gun. I just don't want to nick the liner. So I try to soften up all the hard edges just so I keep my equipment lasting as long as possible. Make sure you tighten up your spool before you get going. Otherwise you're going to get a big old mess. Ask me how I know. So here I'm just feeding it over the wheel and into the little hole for the gun. So it'll feed right through the liner. So if you're going to be changing out your wire, make sure you crank up your wire feed speed and tighten up your spool. I try to keep as much distance between the machine and the gun as possible so I get a straight line shot just to make it easier. And there we go.